everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Biology. Myself Trisha Sharma. Today we are going to discuss about blood groups. Blood groups होता क्या है, उसमें क्या एंटीजेंस होती हैं और क्या एंटीबॉडीज़ होती हैं. Now let's start topic blood groups. Blood groups are determined by the certain type of antigens. Antigens होता क्या है, ये located on the surface of the RBC. More than 30 such protein have been recognized. The most common type of blood group system is ABO system. According to the system, human being have four type of blood group: blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, and blood group O. These blood groups are determined by the three type of antigens located on the RBC. There are antigens A, antigens B, and antigens O. Similar to antigens, antibodies against them, they are also found in the blood. Now antibodies are two types, antibodies A and antibodies B. To represent a small letter, for each antigen a person has a different type of antibody. For example, if blood group A, for antigens A there is B antibody. If blood group B, for antigens B there is A antibody. If blood group AB, but there is no antibody. Now come to the topic blood group, antigens and antibodies and donor groups. Blood group A, antigens A but antibodies B. Then donor group, blood group A and blood group O. Now blood group B, antigens B, antibodies A. Donor group, blood group B and blood group O. Now blood group AB, antigens AB but there is no antibody. But the donor group AB, A, B and O. Now blood group O, there is no antigens but antibodies there, antibodies A and antibodies B, and donor group O. Since the persons of the blood group AB has no antibody, in his blood he can receive blood from all the type of the donors. Hence AB blood group is called universal recipient. On the other hand, the persons with the blood group O can give his blood to any person because there is no antibody against antigens O for any persons. So blood group O is called universal donor. Now come to the topic blood transfusion. Blood transfusion क्या है? The transfer of the blood from one person to another is called blood transfusion. The immune system of the recipient play a major role in the blood transfusion process. मतलब इम्यून सिस्टम जो रेसिपिएंट जो रिसीव करता है वो इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल निभाता है ट्रांसफ्यूजन प्रोसेस में. ए गिवन इंडिविजुअल कैन नॉट हैव similar antigens and antibodies. This is because whenever some type of antigens and antibodies, for example, when antigens A and antibody A, if blood group A, so blood group A there is antigens A and antibody A, so agglutination process occur. If for example, if blood group B, antigens B and antibody A, so are present in the same sample, the agglutination of the RBC occur. What is agglutination? A reaction in which particles, red blood cells or bacteria suspended in liquid collect into clumps, and which occurs especially a serological response to specific body. एग्लूटिनेशन होता क्या है? ये रेड ब्लड सेल्स मतलब ये लिक्विड में कलेक्ट कर देता है, उसका जो है गुच्छा बना देता है, उसका गार्ड बना देता है, जिस वजह से बहुत सीरोलॉजिकल रिस्पॉन्स मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, जो है क्लम्प हो जाता है, इसीलिए इसको एग्लूटिनेशन बोलते हैं. ड्यू टू विच प्लाज्मा प्रोड्यूस दे कैन क्लॉग द कैपिलरीज. प्लाज्मा जो है वो प्रोड्यूस करता है और रोकता है कैपिलरीज में, एंड द पर्सन अगर ये कैपिलरीज में रुक जाए, अगर ये एग्लूटिनेशन प्रोसेस हो जाता है तो पर्सन की डेथ भी हो सकती है. RH ग्रुपिंग होता क्या है? A, B and O antigens and other type of antigens are also found present on the RBC. These are called RH protein. सबसे पहले खोज की गई थी. There was the first discovered on the RBC on the rhesus monkey, hence given this name. But not all the human beings. The persons which has these antigens on the RBC are called RH positive, when this antigen is absent are called Rh negative. The two systems together, ABO and RH, the blood group of the persons may be written as the A positive. Similar to the ABO system, the antibodies of Rh antigens is also found only the negative, so blood group A negative. Now come to the topic hemolytic disease of newborn child, HDN, a special case in which RH incompatibility, मतलब mismatching, has been observed between the RH negative blood of the pregnant mother अगर with RH positive blood of the fetus. So RH antigens of the fetus do not get exposed to the Rh negative blood of the mother into the first pregnancy, as the two blood will separated by the placenta. जो Rh antigens अगर fetus अगर नेगेटिव होता है और अगर मदर जो है पॉजिटिव होती है तो जो है प्रेग्नेंट मदर जो है मतलब ये जो है ब्लड सेपरेट होता है प्लेसेंटा में. द एक्सपोजर लीड टू द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द एंटीबॉडीज बाय हर बॉडी. फर्स्ट प्रेगनेंसी इज़ यूजुअली सेफ. तो पहली प्रेगनेंसी सेफ होगी, लेकिन अगर इफ़ द सेम वुमेन बियर्स RH पॉजिटिव फीटस, अगर वही औरत दोबारा अगर प्रेग्नेंट होती है तो RH पॉजिटिव फीटस और जो है उसकी जो मतलब मदर्स की जो बॉडी है एंटीबॉडीज़ बनाना शुरू कर देती है ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट इन द मदर ब्लड में बिकम बी एक्टिव. अगर एंटीबॉडीज़ और एंटीजेंस अगर सेम होंगे तो एग्लूटिनेशन प्रोसेस ऑकर. देयर कुड बी फेटल टू द फीटस आर कुड सेवियर एनीमिया एंड जॉन्डिस टू द बेबी. दिस कंडीशन इज कॉल्ड इरिथ्रोब्लास्टोसिस फेटालिस. इससे क्या होता है मतलब अगर जो है जो मतलब अगर इज इट डेंजरस फॉर द मदर एंड द फीटस. इफ द फीटस born it is a very weak and suffering from the severe jaundice. This disease is called hemolytic disease of newborn baby. Now this can be avoided by the administering anti-RH antibodies to the mother and immediately after the delivery of the first child baby. आपको मेरा वीडियो कैसा लगा है? प्लीज़ कमेंट, लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू.